I'm on the road, the riches got granted my wishes, but this shit still came with a ton. But at the time I was tripping, bro, bridge after bridge, cause I felt there was more than one. Game.
What's good, YouTube? You know, today I'm back with another video. Again, I know I haven't been uploading like how I said I was, but I've been going through some stuff, but I'm slowly getting through better and better every time. So for the last couple of months, my car it wasn't starting. Like, I don't know what's the reason, but it was not starting for some what reason, and I be spending all that time trying to figure out why the car wasn't starting and stuff. But I finally got it figured out, and it was electrical. It was an electrical problem. So it was like one of the wires was bad, so it wasn't like getting the right power for it to start. So I finally figured it out. I finally figured it out, and that's good. So now my car is turning on, is driving and stuff. So today my video, I'm going to be I'm going to be what's this? Yes, I'm going to be replacing the valve cover gaskets and seal for the spark plugs and stuff and so on. And I am going to paint, to spray paint my valve covers into like a red metallic color, so my engine bay can look even more cleaner. You feel me? So yeah, let's get to the video. Oh. Yes, finally got it off, guys. Oh my goodness. Oh, okay. Whoa. Actually, my valve timing is not like really. It's not bad. It's like still clean, bro. Oh God, that shit's still clean, bro. So here you have it, guys. Yeah, so I definitely think this one is leaking. Most definitely, this one. Pretty much all of them is leaking. So I'm going to change them out and clean all this, and yeah, I'm gonna get back with you guys. Yes, so after I finish cleaning these valve cover and repaint them into the red color, I'm gonna get back with you guys.
Guys, so I used the grinder to grind it off, so as you can see it's like really, it's shine is like kind of brand new, but I'm gonna still paint it, you feel me? So yeah, so I'm doing this one. Well, already done this one, but then I'm doing this one right now, you feel me? First, guys, that's the first coat. I'm gonna wait for 5 minutes and then I'm do the second coat. Okay guys, so I'm gonna apply the second coat of the primer. I'm gonna let it dry for the second time now, and then the last coat I'm gonna go all out. Feel me? So, yeah. Okay guys, so this is my last coat of applying the primer, and then after that I'm gonna give it the red color. It's time for me to apply the red color on the valve cover. So I'm done putting in the final color on the valve. So guys, I just did I spray paint my manifold. So I didn't record, but I did, so I'm gonna show you in a bit, you feel me? So I did spray paint my manifold and stuff. So I really wanted my engine bay to look like really cool, you feel me? So it's like a surprise for you guys. I want y'all to tell me how I'm doing so far with my car, because I'm trying my best to get this car to a perfect level. Don't mind my chunk, I know it's messy right now, but I'm gonna get it clean, you feel me? So this is just temporary for right now. That's what I'm looking for. What I am looking for, let me see what I am looking for. Um, what am I looking for? Okay. Like guys, like for the past 2 days, this is how I leave the car. What, I close the hood and that's all, bro. I didn't do anything else. I swear to God. But I'm gonna get this car up and running today because you know I have work later, so I'm gonna get it done pretty soon so I can rest and get ready for work later. You feel me? So I'm going to install the spark plug seal. Come on. So I'm guessing it goes this way. So whenever you're installing this kind of stuff, guys, just make sure, be careful, mindful of how you guys installing it, because I'm pretty sure it's only one way. But if you do it the other way, then you're gonna get messed up doing this. So I'm pretty sure it's this way, guys. Not this way, this way. I'm just trying to make sure it's really in there so I don't have to worry about leaking or anything else. You feel me? Because I really don't want it to be leaking because it's my first time doing this job. Honestly, my first time. But I think I'm doing good. The more I work on my car, the more I learn about cars and stuff. Especially my car, because I really like my car. I do not want to make any mistake doing this, guys. I swear to God. And it look like I already made a mistake. But I'm gonna fix it. Let's see. The small one. Okay, I feel like this is good enough. Or more. Yes, guys, so here is the red color. Ooh, going to look nice. I swear to God. What the hell? What the helly? What the helly? Oh, this one just slipping super smooth. I don't know why, but what the hell? That's crazy. Super smooth. Super smooth, boy. Guys, it's my first time doing this job, so I'm just trying to be careful and mindful what I'm doing, guys. Okay. Wait, I think I'm doing it wrong. I'm not sure. Hold on, let me see real quick, cause what the hell? Okay, guys, I'm just trying to be mindful. So I'm thinking it's the other way around. So yes, as you can see, so flip it. See if it goes like this. Okay, okay. Cool. Guys, I'm literally doing this with no experience, guys. I'm just like, you feel me? With no experience, nothing, no, I'm just like, my brain is just really working right now. Honestly. Okay guys, I'm ready to install. There we go. Shit, bro, why am I making a mess right now? So yes guys, that's the end of my videos. I want you to comment, like and subscribe, share. I want you to tell me in the comment what y'all think about my build, what I'm doing right now, about my Akira tail. So yeah, peace out, thanks for watching my videos guys.